In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your music from Distrokid. If you've decided a song, EP, or full album needs to come down from streaming services, I'll walk you through the exact path inside your Distrokid account and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Keep in mind, deletions are generally final, and it's usually faster to fix small issues by editing the release instead of removing it entirely. Start by signing into your Distrokid account through the official login page. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Head to the My Music section, where you'll see your releases listed. Click the specific single, EP, or album you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct release by checking the title, artwork, and track list so you don't accidentally take down the wrong one. Inside the release page, look for the option labeled Edit Release. This is the same area you'd use to adjust artwork, titles, or metadata, and it's also where Distrokid places the removal control. Go ahead and open Edit Release so you can access the full set of management tools tied to that project. Now, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the Edit Release page. There you'll find the option that says, Remove this release from all stores. Click that. This action tells Distrokid to request a takedown across every partnered platform rather than just a single store, so you won't need to repeat the process anywhere else. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm. After you do, Distrokid submits the takedown to services like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, along with other streaming stores. This removes your release from public streaming and distribution. It doesn't undo your upload history, and it typically can't be canceled once submitted. Removal doesn't happen instantly. Spotify usually updates in about 2 or more business days. Other platforms can take several days to as long as 1 to 2 weeks, and some may take longer. During this window, avoid re-uploading the same release because duplicates can cause confusion and may reset links or disrupt playlist placements. It's normal to see the release disappear from some services before others. Before you delete, consider whether simple edits would solve your issue. If you only need to fix artwork, correct titles, or adjust metadata, use Edit Release instead of removing it. Deleting and re-uploading can cause you to lose streams, reset playlist placements, and change your existing links. When removal truly is the right move, follow these steps, give the platforms time to update, and you'll be set.